How to update your Remitly profile information. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can update your Remitly profile information, and here is how to go about it. First and foremost, log in into your Remitly account just like I have done in here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically where you can send money, transfer history, refer friends. Then when you get to the welcome address, just click on it. After clicking on it, in the box displayed, ensure you select settings. After selecting settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. On this page, by the left side of the screen, you can see some options, right? Or some tabs, which includes notifications, profile information, recipient, etc. So since you are trying to update profile information, we'll be working with the profile information. So on this page, the first thing to do is to add name, right? So you can just go ahead and add your name as well as your last name. After adding it, ensure you click on save, and then you can see it has been saved. Then for the address, go ahead and add it out too. Type out the address, the zip code, click on save once you're done. Then for the phone number, click on add as well. Add the phone number, click on save. You can also edit your email address if you want. You can edit your password if you want. You can change the language by clicking on edit, and then the different languages available will be displayed when you click on the drop down arrow here. And you can select the one that you desire. Then you can also change the country that you'd like to send money to. For me, I'll leave it as Nigeria, and then once you're done, you are good to go. Your profile would be updated. So this is how you can update your profile on Remitly. Thanks for watching and have a good day.